the near shore forecast for Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to the islands.
And the near-shore marine forecast for the following: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, Ohio, and Reno Beach to the islands, Ohio. This afternoon, northeast wind 10 to 20 knots. Sunny. Waves in ice-free areas subsiding to 1 to 3 feet. Tonight, northeast wind 10 knots or less becoming east. Mostly clear. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Sunday, southeast wind 10 knots or less becoming east. Sunny. Waves 2 feet or less. Sunday night, east wind 10 knots or less becoming south. Partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Waves are for ice-free areas. See Lake Erie open lakes forecast from Monday through Wednesday. The water temperature off Toledo is 47 degrees, off Cleveland 41 degrees, and off Erie 39 degrees. Forecast for the following: Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Bentwater, Michigan, south gale warning in effect from 3 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon through late tonight. Rest of today. Northwest wind around 15 knots becoming southwest this afternoon and increasing to 30 knots late. A few gale force gusts to 35 knots possible toward evening. Scattered snow showers. Freezing spray this afternoon. Waves 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet. Tonight, southwest gales to 35 knots becoming west wind to 30 knots late. Freezing spray. Isolated snow showers. Waves building to 10 to 14 feet, occasionally to 18 feet. Friday, west wind 15 to 25 knots becoming southwest 10 to 15 knots late in the morning, then becoming south 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Waves 10 to 14 feet, occasionally to 18 feet, subsiding to 5 to 8 feet, occasionally to 10 feet in the afternoon. Friday night, south wind 10 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots overnight. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet, subsiding to 2 to 4 feet overnight. Saturday, east wind 10 to 15 knots, becoming southeast 10 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Slight chance of rain or snow. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Saturday night, east wind 10 to 20 knots. Chance of rain or light freezing rain. Waves 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. Sunday, northeast wind 15 to 25 knots. Chance of snow or rain and light freezing rain. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet. Monday, north wind 15 to 25 knots. Slight chance of snow showers. Waves 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet.
This is NOAA weather radio station WXJ58 in Fort Wayne and WXM98 in Marion. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. Here is the nearshore forecast for Lake Erie from Maumee Bay to the islands.
And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: Maumee Bay to Reno Beach, Ohio, and Reno Beach to the islands, Ohio. This afternoon, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 feet or less. Tonight, south wind 5 to 15 knots becoming southwest. Mostly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Monday, southwest wind 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 feet or less. Monday night, southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Wind and waves higher and near thunderstorms. See Lake Erie open lakes forecast for Tuesday through Thursday. The water temperature off Toledo is 72 degrees, off Cleveland 69 degrees, and off Erie 72 degrees.
The current time is 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ57 in South Bend and KZZ36 in North Webster. Visit our website viaweather.gov/IWX. The current time is 2:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Open waters forecast for the following: Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Bentwater, Michigan, south today. Variable wind less than 10 knots. Waves less than 2 feet. Tonight, variable wind less than 10 knots becoming south of 10 to 15 knots. Waves less than 2 feet. Monday, south wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves building to 2 to 4 feet. Monday night, south wind 10 to 15 knots. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday, south wind 10 to 20 knots. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Tuesday night, south wind 10 to 20 knots becoming southeast and increasing to 30 knots after midnight. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves building to 3 to 5 feet, occasionally to 7 feet. Wednesday, southeast wind to 30 knots early becoming south gales to 35 knots, then veering west Wednesday evening. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Waves building to 8 to 11 feet, occasionally to 14 feet. Thursday, west wind to 30 knots. Slight chance of showers. Waves 6 to 9 feet, occasionally to 11 feet. 6:50 p.m. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles west of Hill City, just north of Highway 200, and moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard damaging tornado. Source radar confirmed tornado. Impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Expect trees to be uprooted or snapped. Locations impacted include Hill City, Hay Point, Filter, Split Hand Lake, Highway 169 around Hill City, and Quad, a mountain resort very south of Hill City. This tornado will likely cross Highway 200 near or just west of Hill City. Do not drive west of Hill City on Highway 200 until the storm has passed. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ58 in Fort Wayne and WXM98 in Marion. Visit our website viaweather.gov/IWX. Here is the nearshore forecast for Lake Erie from Long Bay to the islands.
And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: Long Bay to Reno Beach, Ohio, and Reno Beach to the islands, Ohio. This afternoon, southwest wind 10 to 15 knots. Cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 feet or less. Tonight, south wind 5 to 15 knots becoming southwest. Mostly cloudy. Waves 2 feet or less. Monday, southwest wind 5 to 15 knots. Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 2 feet or less. Monday night, southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers and thunderstorms likely overnight. Waves 2 feet or less. Wind and waves higher and in near thunderstorms. See Lake Erie Open Lakes forecast for Tuesday through Thursday. The water temperature off Toledo is 72 degrees, off Cleveland 69 degrees, and off Erie 72 degrees.
The current time is 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
today. West wind 20 to 25 knots. Gusts up to 30 knots. Mostly cloudy. Heavy freezing spray. Scattered snow showers. Waves 6 to 10 feet. Tonight, west wind 15 to 25 knots. Heavy freezing spray. Slight chance of snow showers. Waves 5 to 8 feet, subsiding to 3 to 6 feet after midnight. Saturday, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Gusts up to 25 knots. Mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 3 to 5 feet, subsiding to 2 to 4 feet in the afternoon. Saturday night, south wind 15 to 20 knots. Mostly cloudy through midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Waves 1 to 3 feet. And the nearshore marine forecast for the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan. Heavy freezing spray warning in effect through late tonight. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday morning. Rest up today. West wind 20 to 25 knots. Gusts up to 30 knots. Heavy freezing spray. Numerous snow showers. Waves 8 to 12 feet. Tonight, west wind 15 to 25 knots. Heavy freezing spray. Chance of snow showers. Waves 5 to 8 feet. Saturday, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Gusts up to 25 knots. Slight chance of snow showers. Waves 3 to 5 feet. Saturday night, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Slight chance of snow. Waves 2 to 4 feet